brand new bottle tucked away behind my seat. And if I get pulled over, I'll pretend it's not for me.
Hi guys, did you know I have loads of amazing fried rice recipes, but for this one, I'm going to be sharing the recipe with you. This particular recipe is a game changer if you've been wanting to step up on your fried rice. Then you need to watch this video to the end. First things first, we need to blend up our secret ingredients. We have our spring onion, onions, green peppers, ginger and garlic. I like to add in some chicken stock to aid the blending process. So I'll just blend that into a pulp and set it aside, just like so. For this particular recipe, I'll be using the golden Sela basmati rice. I have about 200 grams of the golden Sela basmati rice here. Next, I'll be heating up some oil in a non-stick pan and throwing some unsalted margarine into the pan. Not forgetting my protein for this recipe, I'm just sending it to the grill. And once that oil is heated up, I'll throw in the green spice into the pan and stir that up. At this point, you might want to add in some spices according to your discretion. Feel free to add any spice of your choice. For me, I don't like to do too much because the green sauce is enough ingredients and it elevates the taste of this fried rice. So I just threw in the rice and continue to stir fry for some minutes. After some minutes of toasting the rice, you can see the whole sauce has marinated the rice. The next thing you'll be going in with is your chicken stock. For me, I'm using chicken for this recipe. You can use any protein of your choice. So it was at this point that I had to add my salt and seasoning because the stock already has all these ingredients in it, so I didn't need to do too much. Then I'll be going in with my green peas. I just love that in my fried rice, so since it's fresh, I needed to add it at this point. So I just stir that up and cover with foil. We're cooking this rice with steam, so we don't need to add too much water. It's a basmati rice. After about 20 minutes, we're checking up the rice to see if it's cooked. It's almost cooked, so I just added in some water, adjusted seasoning, and covered that up again. In a separate pan, we're going to be heating up some unsalted margarine. We're adding some onions, carrots. Just feel free with any of the vegetables. So at this point, your choice of vegetable has a great impact on the rice. You don't have to end up with a soggy rice, so you choose your vegetables carefully. For now, I'm just doing carrots and onions for start. Adding some seasonings and salt. So it is now time to add in rice. So do this in batches and you stir it up gradually. You don't cook everything in a whole, just gradually add up and stir. Toast that up for some minutes. So this is where you do the stirring for some time, like quite some time, because you need to heat that up. You need to really toast that into the fried rice it is, right? So I'm someone that likes hot meals, so I'm adding up hot peppers because the ones I added earlier wasn't enough, so this is me just adding more. So you really need to toast that until you feel the heat. This is one of the secrets why your fried rice doesn't go bad so early. In fact, this rice stayed till down. It didn't really go bad at all. For me, it is also at this point that I add in my delicate vegetables, my sweet corn and green bell peppers. They are so delicate and I don't want them to lose their crunch. And I also don't want them to lose their sheen. So I want them to be lively in the food and looking fresh, yeah. Guys, at this point, my entire space was covered with an amazing aroma. My entire neighborhood, everyone came asking. The aroma was so captivating, and that's the secret of my green sauce from the beginning, you remember, right? So I'll just stir that up and cover up with my foil for the last time. After some minutes of taking off the lid, this is what we have here. A crunchy and yummy, quite tasty fried rice. I'm sure you want to try this, guys. Let me know if you'll be trying this, and please leave a comment for me in the comment section. I'll see you on my next one. And until then, bye bye.